Hello gardeners. Now I will tell you how to feed cucumbers in July and August, so that they give a large harvest for a long time, namely until autumn. This top dressing is very important, because right now, at the moment of abundant fruiting, cucumber plants consume a lot of nutrition from the soil. And if it is not replenished, the soil will be depleted and the plants will not be able to produce a large harvest. Also, this top dressing will be absolutely harmless, and most importantly, it is available to everyone, and absolutely free. Therefore, watch and listen carefully. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. That's the growth phase I have cucumbers in now. They have already grown up to the roof of the greenhouse. And now they are bearing fruit abundantly. And for the preparation of top dressing, we will need 10 quarts of water at street temperature, meaning that the water should not be cold. And in this water we add a jar of wood ash, with a volume of 1 quart. I use ash from burnt plant residues, twigs, stems and leaves. Potassium and phosphorus predominate in the composition of such top dressing. And this is what the plant needs right now. And most importantly, there is no nitrogen in it. Nitrogen should be excluded at this point. Otherwise, there will be less harvest, but leaves will grow and shoots will develop. Now you need to let this cocktail brew for 24 hours. Therefore, today you need to think about preparing such a top dressing so that you can apply it tomorrow. During this time, the ash will completely give all macro and micro elements to the water, and then we will feed cucumbers with this water. And you need to feed as follows. Take this jar, which is 1 quart in volume, fill it full with an infusion of ash, and we pour 1 such jar under 1 cucumber plant. In advance, half an hour before fertilizing, it is desirable to make light watering of plants. Thus, the top dressing will be easier to penetrate into the depth to the roots, and it will also be easier for them to digest. And you may also know that it is impossible to harm your cucumbers with this top dressing. Even if you pour out more infusion than you need, the cucumbers will only thank you and thank you with a bountiful harvest. After feeding, you will not have to wait long. You will immediately see how baby cucumbers will begin to grow and begin to mature. Now I am waiting for a day when this solution is infused, and I will feed my cucumbers. What I advise you to do: to increase your harvest many times and prolong fruiting. To whom the video was useful, put a like. If you still have questions, ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, in order not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day and a great harvest.